What's going on, guys? This is Mike here for TVape TV. Solid choice getting the Arizer Go. Let's go over some quick cleaning tips to ensure you get tasty vapor with your unit every time. First, we're going to go over the materials you'll need, and then we'll get into cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning your Arizer Go, make sure you have the Zeus Purify cleaning solution diluted 40% with water, fresh water, paper towels, Zeus grime sticks, and Zeus bristle pipe cleaners. The ArGo is really easy to clean. All you need to do is care for the heating chamber and stems. To clean out the heating chamber, take a Zeus grime stick, snap the top, let the alcohol drain to the bottom, and then swab the inside. To ensure that no alcohol particles are left behind, after letting it sit for a few minutes, turn the unit on, set it to the highest heat setting, and then let it run through a couple heating cycles. You can clean the stems by soaking them in a jar of your diluted Zeus Purify solution for about half an hour. Then use the Zeus bristle pipe cleaners to dislodge any remaining particles. Next, rinse and towel dry. For best care, we recommend that you brush out your heating chamber after each use with a Zeus bristle pipe cleaner. This will help get out any extra particles and prep your ArGo for your next session. And that's it. We hope you enjoy your ArGo, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Cheers, and as always, keep vaping.